Today's Friday Find is at a Des Moines icon, the Varsity Theater. This building, built in 1917 and opened in 1938 as a theater, has been a Des Moines staple for years until sadly it closed in 2018. Thanks to the nonprofit Des Moines Film, they rallied together, raised funds, and were able to reopen and breathe new life back into this theater.
My name is Michael Dunham-Legree, and I'm the Director of Operations here at the Varsity Cinema. As was discussed, we are a nonprofit built by Des Moines Film, and they were lucky enough to snag this property when Denise Mahon decided she was going to sell. The only stipulation she had was that somebody came and learned how to make popcorn the right way, and we still make it the same way. A lot of people have great memories. I love coming in to see the changes we've made. If you come in, we're going to show a lot of independent movies, but we're also doing a lot of fun movies from your childhood. We are partnering with the Des Moines Public Library System to show some movies and get kids excited about reading and sign them up for this summer reading program that they do. And if you don't know where we're at, we are across the Drake campus on 25th Street in Dogtown at 1207 25th Street. Come and see us.
The Varsity Theater is open. They are showing some super cool films that you've got to come check out. So if you are looking for something to do this summer, come out, visit Varsity Theater, support this awesome independent local theater.